our pleasure to put on our annual SEAD camp for robotics. And first of all, I'd like to thank Dr. Morgan and Mr. Tish and Alyssa for being here all week, and Josh for setting everything up today. But most of all, I'd like to thank y'all for letting us have your students for a week and letting us help them learn more about robotics and the things that we're doing with DSTR. So had a great week with them and have really enjoyed it. So what they've done so far, in case they haven't told you, is they've assembled a robot, the electronics. They had to do the metal cutting, the drilling, the soldering, the software programming. They had to create a social media page, which they're going to show you later. If you're not following them on Twitter, the ones with the most Twitter followers are going to do better. So they've been tweeting. Is that the right word? Tweeting? Yeah, they've been tweeting this week and doing a bunch of other stuff. So today we're going to have them stand and do a presentation for you. One of the team members was responsible for all of their social media and understanding what the whole team is doing and advertising that to the world. So they're all going to stand up and do a presentation for you. And then we've got a little bit of a course set up for them, an obstacle course that all 4 team members will participate in, and trying to get from one end to the other and turn the lights on. And then finally they're going to do, I guess we call it the spearing race. The robots will be equipped with a balloon and a spear and see who can get whoever's robot. So I guess we'll start. I think we need to figure out which team's going to go first. So Dr. Morgan. We're going to start with robotics, and then something simple, and then El Grande Pape, right? Is that right? Okay, so we'll do it in that order. Okay? So robotics, come on up and get ready.
And Noah is electrical, Gavin is mechanical, KJ is control/coder, and I'm the publicist back. Thanks. I built the frame, and the legs, and I put together the wheels, and I screw on the screw.
I manually built the sled and soldered the wires to the robot for mechanical to work. I coded it so it could go different ways and it could do like tricks and go in circles, go forward, go backward.
I'm the person who made like the Twitter account and like made the slides and the blog post that we're about to show. Twitter is technical. You have 8 followers. Yes. Yesterday we finished our rover and we just took a picture and posted on Twitter. And then I was just telling everybody like what jobs we had, and so I put like a little gift there. And then Noah was altering a wire, and so I just put you got this. Noah was constructing a frame mount for the DSTR, the disaster. He had to like heat up the frame and like bend it into place.